Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. We'll be covering exciting stock market news, this morning's biggest gainers and losers, as well as notable earnings reports. Now, please forgive me for my very casual appearance today, as I'm feeling quite under the weather, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging without your morning news, so we're going to get through this and then maybe crawl back into bed. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. All right, now let's get right into our stock market news. U.S. stock futures are down slightly this morning, with Dow futures being down 0.16% and both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ down 0.08%. The price of Bitcoin slid over 6% after another cryptic tweet from Elon Musk. Musk wrote #Bitcoin with a broken heart emoji and a reference to a lyric from a Linkin Park song. This is apparently hinting at a potential split with the largest cryptocurrency. Boeing has teamed up with Alaska Airlines on the Eco Demonstrator program to test new technologies to enhance the safety and sustainability of air travel. Starting this summer, the two will test a new halon-free fire extinguishing agent designed to curb the negative impact on the ozone layer. They will also assess an engine nacelle aimed at reducing noise and assess cabin sidewalls made from durable recycled materials. The airlines will work with 9 other partners to test the new technologies. The Boeing stock comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of over 9%, with Alaska Air coming in as a strong buy with an average upside of 30%. Blackstone Group has agreed to acquire the International Data Group for $1.3 billion. International Data Group, or IDG, provides market intelligence and proprietary insights and data to the technology industry. The acquisition will enable them to invest in growth opportunities as well as make other strategic acquisitions. Peter Wallace from Blackstone said that IDG has a trusted brand and deep knowledge of tech suppliers and buyers, and our investment will help the company accelerate its plans for creating even more advanced product offerings across its business. The Blackstone Group does come in as a strong buy, but a couple recent holds with downside potential brings the average price target to a downside of 0.44%. Amazon has deepened its ties with Casino Group in France to offer customers a wide selection of food products and pickup points. The strategic alliance will allow the e-commerce giant to introduce new customers to the Casino Group's expertise. The two have been exploring ways of deploying new solutions such as express food delivery services to make life easier. The rolling out of a click and collect service in casino stores is the result of the strengthened collaboration. Amazon comes in as a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 35%. And Tyler Technologies is set to acquire VendEngine for $84 million. VendEngine is a privately held cloud-based software provider, and their cloud-based platform will help Tyler to expand offerings in its corrections suite. The combined entity will be in a better position to cater to the needs of local and state government agencies and incarcerated individuals and their families. Furthermore, the deal will enable Tyler to offer better solutions for jails and correctional facilities to sustain proper safety measures in their daily duties. The Tyler stock did decrease after the announcement, but comes in as a strong buy with an average upside of 25%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Starting off with DocuSign. The e-signature company posted better than expected results for their fiscal first quarter. They reported revenue of $469.1 million, up 58% from a year ago, and beating the consensus of $437.8 million. They had a non-GAAP profit in the quarter of 44 cents a share, topping the street's estimates of 28 cents per share. The DocuSign stock does come in as a strong buy, with an average upside potential of 35%. We also heard from M Smuckers, who also came in ahead of analyst expectations. Adjusted earnings stood at $1.89 per share in their fourth quarter, a decrease of 26.5% year over year. However, it did surpass the street's estimates of $1.67. Net sales for the quarter declined 3% to $1.92 billion, compared to the street's estimates of $1.88 billion. Results were impacted by the pandemic, and notably the company completed the divestiture of the Crisco business on December of 2020 and the divestiture of the Nature Balance business on January of 2021. Their stock comes in as a hold with an average downside of 4.5%. The most recent ratings from yesterday come in between 2 and 4% upside. And we also heard from Ciena Corporation. They are a network equipment and software services company who also reported better than expected quarterly results. They reported adjusted earnings of 62 cents per share, down 18% from the prior year, but beating the street's estimates of 48 cents per share. Their adjusted revenue for the quarter declined 6.7% year over year to $833.9 million, but did beat analyst estimates of $829 million. Their stock comes in as a strong buy with an average upside of 7.3%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer so far, which is Senseonics Holdings. They trade under the ticker SENS and are currently up 35%, followed by Core Laboratories under CLB, who's up 15.5%. And Coherus Biosciences under CHRS. They're currently up nearly 15%. Our biggest losers are led by NGL Energy Partners under NGL, who's down nearly 17%. Air Products and Chemicals under APD, currently down 14%. And AMC Entertainment, who is down just over 6%, following a loss of nearly 18% yesterday, but of course following a huge rise this past week. So that is everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with everything you need to know before that opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. And don't forget to stop back at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Richard Allen's Power Hour, where he'll catch you up with what's been happening throughout the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and we will see you back here next time.